Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today we are looking at a machine that bridges the gap between urban crossover and dirt-spitting monster. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross rally car. While the standard Yaris Cross is a hero of the city streets, Toyota Gazoo Racing has seen its potential as a rugged rally weapon, following the footsteps of its smaller sibling, the GR Yaris. For 2026, this rally spec version is built on a reinforced version of the Gabi platform, transformed into a wide-body beast with massive flared arches, a roof-mounted air intake, and a towering rear wing designed to keep it glued to the gravel. The front end has been completely redesigned for maximum cooling, featuring a specialized steel mesh grille and extra venting to feed the turbocharged heart within. This isn't just a styling exercise. It is a purpose-built competitor designed for regional championships like the AP4 or Rally 2 categories, proving that lifestyle SUVs can have a very aggressive side. Under the hood, the 2026 Rally spec discards the hybrid motor in favor of a high-performance 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged G16E GTS engine, tuned to deliver north of 300 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque. All that power is managed by a 6-speed sequential racing transmission and the legendary GR4 all-wheel drive system, which has been further optimized with front and rear mechanical limited slip differentials for surgical precision on loose surfaces. The suspension is a work of art long travel. McPherson struts with specialized gravel spec dampers that allow this crossover to fly over jumps and absorb the harshest ruts without breaking a sweat. Inside, the cabin is stripped of its luxuries and replaced with a full FIA spec roll cage, AMP racing seats with 6-point harnesses, and a minimalist digital dash for vital telemetry. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross rally car is a celebration of Toyota's motorsport-first philosophy, taking a practical family SUV and turning it into a high-flying, dirt-throwing icon of the modern era. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we prepare to see this beast tackle the stages.